Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive no matter what life throws at them, while others struggle to get out of bed each morning? Let's start with a surprising fact. Studies show that 90% of our daily thoughts are repetitive. Yes, the same worries, doubts and fears cycle through our minds over and over again. But here's the good news. Those thoughts don't have to define us. We have the power to choose how we think, act, and respond to challenges. That choice is the foundation of personal growth. This video isn't about quick fixes or surface-level advice. It's about diving deep into the principles that shape our mindset, habits, and ultimately, our lives. By understanding these core concepts, you'll gain clarity on how to take control of your journey and create lasting change. Whether you're looking to improve your mental resilience, master focus, or stay consistent in your goals, this video will equip you with the knowledge to do so. Before we dive into the first section, I want you to ask yourself, what is one area of your life where you feel stuck? Keep that thought in mind as we explore the transformative ideas ahead. Let's begin. Section 1. Building resilience. The backbone of success. Resilience is more than just bouncing back from failure. It's the ability to adapt, grow, and thrive in the face of adversity. Think of it as the backbone of success, a strong, flexible structure that supports everything else you do. Without resilience, even the smallest setbacks can feel insurmountable. At its core, resilience is about perspective. It's not about avoiding pain or hardship, but learning how to process it effectively. Psychologists often refer to this as cognitive reframing, which means shifting the way you interpret events. For example, instead of seeing failure as a reflection of your worth, resilient individuals view it as feedback, an opportunity to learn and improve. Why does resilience matter? Because life is unpredictable. No matter how well you plan, there will always be obstacles, disappointments, and moments of doubt. Resilience gives you the tools to navigate these challenges without losing sight of your goals. It allows you to maintain emotional stability, even when things don't go as planned. The key to building resilience lies in developing a growth-oriented mindset. This means embracing discomfort, staying open to new experiences, and trusting in your ability to overcome difficulties. When you cultivate resilience, you're not just preparing for the next challenge, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Section 2. Mastering focus, the gateway to productivity. Focus is the gateway to productivity, creativity, and fulfillment. Yet, in today's hyper-connected world, maintaining focus has become increasingly difficult. Distractions are everywhere, pulling our attention in countless directions. But here's the truth. Focus isn't something you're born with, it's a skill you can develop. To understand focus, we need to look at how the brain works. Our brains are wired to prioritize immediate rewards over long-term benefits. This is why scrolling through social media feels more appealing than working on a challenging project. However, by training your brain to resist distractions and direct your energy toward meaningful tasks, you can unlock incredible potential. Focus operates like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When you concentrate deeply on a single task, you enter what psychologists call a flow state. In this state, time seems to disappear and you experience heightened creativity and efficiency. Achieving flow requires eliminating external distractions and aligning your work with your intrinsic motivations. The importance of focus extends beyond productivity. It also impacts your mental health and overall well-being. When you're fully present in the moment, you reduce stress and increase feelings of satisfaction. By mastering focus, you take control of your attention and, in turn, your life. Section 3. Cultivating self-discipline, the foundation of achievement. Self-discipline is often misunderstood as sheer willpower, but it's much more nuanced than that. At its essence, self-discipline is the ability to delay gratification in pursuit of long-term goals. It's what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Think of self-discipline as a bridge between your current reality and your desired future. Without it, even the best-laid plans remain unfulfilled. Self-discipline requires clarity of purpose, consistency, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. It's not about forcing yourself to do things you hate. It's about aligning your actions with your values and priorities. One of the most powerful aspects of self-discipline is its compounding effect. Small, disciplined actions repeated consistently over time lead to extraordinary results. For instance, reading for just 20 minutes a day may not seem significant, but over a year, it adds up to hundreds of hours of learning and growth. Developing self-discipline starts with understanding your triggers and creating an environment that supports your goals. By removing temptations and establishing clear routines, you make it easier to stay on track. Remember, self-discipline isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Section 4. Embracing change, the key to growth. Change is inevitable, yet many people resist it because it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. However, embracing change is essential for personal growth. Without it, we stagnate, trapped in outdated patterns and limiting beliefs. Change forces us to confront our fears and expand our comfort zones. It pushes us to question assumptions, explore new possibilities, and redefine what's possible. While change can be intimidating, it's also where transformation happens. Those who embrace change position themselves to seize opportunities and adapt to evolving circumstances. The key to embracing change lies in adopting a proactive mindset. Instead of waiting for change to happen to you, take ownership of your growth. Seek out new experiences, challenge yourself regularly, and remain open to feedback. By doing so, you build the confidence and resilience needed to thrive in any situation. Change is not something to fear, it's something to welcome. It's the catalyst for innovation, learning, and self-discovery. When you embrace change, you unlock your full potential and pave the way for a richer, more fulfilling life. Section 5. Practicing gratitude, the path to inner peace. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a profound practice that transforms your outlook on life. Research shows that practicing gratitude rewires your brain, leading to increased happiness, improved relationships, and greater overall well-being. At its heart, gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. It helps you recognize the beauty in everyday moments and appreciate the people, experiences, and opportunities that enrich your life. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of contentment and reduces feelings of envy or dissatisfaction. Practicing gratitude doesn't mean ignoring life's challenges or pretending everything is perfect. Rather, it's about finding balance and acknowledging the positives, even during tough times. Gratitude reminds us that every experience, good or bad, has value and contributes to our growth. By cultivating gratitude, you create a ripple effect that extends beyond yourself. Expressing appreciation strengthens your connections with others and inspires kindness and generosity. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful tool for fostering inner peace and living a more meaningful life. Section 6. Staying consistent, the secret to long-term success. Consistency is the secret ingredient behind every great achievement. It's not about being perfect or achieving overnight success. It's about showing up day after day, even when progress feels slow. Consistency builds momentum, turning small efforts into monumental outcomes. The reason consistency works is rooted in neuroscience. Repetition strengthens neural pathways, making behaviors automatic over time. This is why habits formed through consistent action require less effort to maintain. Consistency creates a foundation of reliability and trust, not only in yourself, but also in others. Staying consistent requires patience and perseverance. It's easy to get discouraged when results aren't immediate, but true success comes from sustained effort. Break your goals into manageable steps, celebrate small wins along the way, and remind yourself why you started. Consistency is about playing the long game, knowing that steady progress leads to extraordinary results. When you commit to consistency, you demonstrate discipline, determination, and resilience. These qualities not only drive success, but also inspire those around you. Consistency proves that greatness isn't reserved for the gifted. It's available to anyone willing to put in the work. Conclusion: empowered to transform your life. As we wrap up, I want you to reflect on the journey we've taken together. From building resilience to staying consistent, each concept we explored serves as a stepping stone toward a better version of yourself. You now possess the knowledge to transform your mindset, habits, and ultimately, your life. Remember, personal growth isn't a destination, it's a continuous process. There will be ups and downs, triumphs and setbacks, but armed with the insights from this video, you're equipped to face them head-on. Take action today, no matter how small, and let that action propel you forward. You have within you the power to create the life you desire.